LED car under hood work inspection light 12-volt white LED strip lights bars. The LED under hood light comes with 2 strips to give you higher brightness and a wider range of lighting. There is no need to hold a flashlight or place a portable work light. This product can easily illuminate the entire engine compartment in difficult-to-see areas under the vehicle hood. The back of the work light strip comes with strong adhesive, which can be easily installed on the car hood. You can buy the lights from Amazon or AliExpress. I bought the light from AliExpress. Easy wiring steps: the red wire is connected to the positive pole of the battery, and the black wire is connected to the automatic switch. The automatic switch needs to be installed in a metal position with holes. If there are no holes, drilling is required. You can connect the power wire directly to the battery terminal, but for a clean look, tap power from the fuse box. Locate a fuse that is always powered when the car is off, like the horn fuse. Remove the fuse and use an add-a-circuit fuse adapter to tap power. Add a fuse of the same amps. In this case I am using 15 amp fuses. Insert the adapter into the horn fuse socket. Test to confirm the horn works. Test to confirm you are getting the 12 volts for the LED light. The back of the work light strip comes with strong adhesive, which can be easily installed on the car hood. Clean the under hood area with a wet towel, then use a dry tissue paper. Remove the backing of the 3-meter double adhesive tape. Stick the light onto the final position. Tuck the wire into the hood liner. Wrap the wire for a cleaner look. Connect the light's positive wire to the fuse box's power wire. Attach the automatic switch that turns on when the hood is opened. The automatic switch needs to be installed in a metal position with holes. If there are no holes, drilling is required. In my case, I drilled through a plastic section, so I had to add the negative wire to the switch. The negative wire connected to the metal in the engine bay. The installation is complete. The lights turn on automatically when the hood is opened. The negative wire connected to the metal in the engine bay. The lights turn on automatically when the hood is opened. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.